to fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for the name of the app. When you find the app, tap on it for some while. Then what you have to do is to tap on this section over here. So when you tap on it, you're going to be the app info of this app. Now when you get here, tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure this your notification is turned on. Now go back, tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear card to clear the cache. Go back and tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. After doing this, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is turned on. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store and check for the latest update of this app. So if you are seeing open over here, which means you have the latest update. When you are seeing update over here, just tap on it to get the latest update. And after that, what you have to do lastly is to tap on restart. So you tap on the power button for some while, then you tap on restart to restart or reboot your device. After doing this and it's not working, what you have to do is to go to your settings. So when you get to settings, what you have to do is to tap on network and internet. Then you tap on mobile data or mobile network. Then you select the network you're using. Then after that, what you have to do is to just tap on advanced, then tap on preferred network type. Then you make sure you select 4G. So you have to make sure you've selected 4G, 3G, 2G or 2. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on the power button for some while, then you tap on restart to restart your device, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.